Think of n8n as your personal automation assistant. Instead of manually copying information between apps or repeating the same tasks every day, n8n connects your favorite tools and lets AI handle the work automatically. The best part? You don't need to know programming to build useful automations. The first thing you need to do is visit the official n8n website. Click on Get Started or Sign Up. You can create an account using your Google account, GitHub account, or simply register with your email address. After signing up, verify your email if required. Now, your account is ready. Once your account has been created, return to the home page and click Log In. Enter the same email and password you used during registration, or simply continue with Google or GitHub if that's how you signed up. After logging in, you'll arrive at the n8n dashboard. This is where all of your automation workflows will be created and managed. Don't worry if it looks confusing at first. We'll build one together. Click Create Workflow. You'll see a blank canvas. Every automation starts with a trigger. A trigger tells n8n when the workflow should begin. For example, when you receive an email, when someone submits a form, every morning at 9 a.m., or when you click a button manually. After adding the trigger, click the plus button to add another node. This is where the magic happens. Search for an AI node or connect an AI model like ChatGPT through its API. Now you can tell the AI exactly what you want it to do. For example, summarize emails, write replies, generate blog posts, translate text, analyze customer feedback. Simply enter your prompt, connect the nodes, and save the workflow. Click Execute Workflow to test everything. If everything is connected correctly, your AI automation is now working automatically. And that's how easy it is to start learning AI automation with n8n. Today you learned what n8n is, how to sign up, how to log in, and how to create your first AI-powered workflow, all without writing code. This is just the beginning. Once you're comfortable with the basics, you can automate YouTube content, social media posting, email marketing, customer support, and much more. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what AI automation you'd like to build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.